have you got everything you need to take home from school with you, Rudy?
Yeah, Miss G.
Yeah?
Oh, and there's Daddy.
hello.
hey there,
Daddy.
Rudy. Hi there. How was school today?
Oh, it was
Hello,
good.
Miss Galarza.
Hello.
Hey,
Yeah.
Daddy, I sang and I painted and I played with blocks today.
Yeah, and Rudy helped clean up after block time. You were a big help in the classroom today, Rudy.
That's my boy.
Yeah.
Good job, son.
You? Oh, look, Daddy, I made a book.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's called All About Me. See? That's me.
Oh, I love it.
You know, we had a really good time making those books. The kids have so many stories to
Oh,
tell.
well, I can't wait to read it, Rudy. Oh, and if you want, you can add another page to your book when we get home.
Oh, that is a great idea. And if you do that, Rudy, would you bring it in and show us, huh?
Okay.
Great.
Hey, Rudy, what's that in your cubby? Is that important?
Oh, yeah.
Something?
This is for you,
What
Daddy.
we got here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is for the class trip next week. Mhm.
Yeah, we get to see fishes and jellyfish.
Yeah, that's right. At the aquarium.
Yeah.
You know what, Rudy? That's the trip that I signed up for.
That's silly, Daddy. You're not in my class.
No, Rudy, your daddy's not in your class, but
No.
sometimes parents volunteer to go on class trips and help out. Yeah, your daddy volunteered for the aquarium trip.
Wait, you really coming with us, Daddy?
Yeah?
Oh, boy, Daddy's coming with us. Daddy's coming with us.
Oh, you know, I really appreciate the help.
Well, it just so happens that I'm free that day, and I love hanging out with Rudy. Plus, I really want to learn about jellyfish.
Yeah, me too.
Me, 3. We make a great learning team. You know, I really can't wait to watch Rudy grow this year.
Daddy, I'm going to learn so much about jellyfishes, I'm going to be able to tell you all about them.
Oh, well, that sounds good to me, Rudy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you, Miss Galarza.
All right, see ya.
Come on, Rudy.
Bye-bye,